G'day guys, Matt Bowman and Scout Bowman, Outback Bowmans, and it's the winter school holidays here in Victoria, and we are just on a little overnighter. Quality time, that's what we're after. We're at a camp, the closest campsite to home, at Nuji in the Bor region. A few other people around. We've carved out a little spot. This is not remote survival camping by any stretch. We're going to be nice and warm, rugged up, cook some good food, and just spend some quality time together, which started with our drive up. It's only about an hour and a half. We saw a cool 109-year-old bridge, I think it was, wasn't it?
110.
110-year-old bridge. And yeah, we've just thrown up the awning, claimed our spot, and there's a bit of a walk up to a pretty cool waterfall. So we're going to do that before we settle in for the afternoon. You looking forward to it? Yeah. What do you think of this place so far, darling?
I love you.
Yeah. You made it, sweetie. Go stand on the edge and bask in the glory. Righto, for warmth and cooking on this trip, I bought my trusty, I think it's like a 4-drive Supercenter special wood stove. I've had this thing for years, and it's perfect for just little overnighters like this or weekenders, because especially in winter, because you can set it up sort of close to the awning, trap a bit of the warmth in. You're not losing all the heat around the larger fire pit. Much more efficient on wood. I bought some from home anyway, but yeah, this is it's gonna keep us toasty and cook our dinner. It's gonna be great. We moved site. Where we were was okay, but it was a bit of a slope and less rocky, more muddy on the ground, so it wasn't ideal. Got the floor, which was fine, but yeah, we've moved up against the retaining wall here. We're away from other campers. We've got our own little corner, and the weather's kind of coming from that angle, so we're getting maximum protection from the out of the awning, which is great, and also to mean that the smoke and any sparks that might come out will be also away from the awning. So got this little bug who's all snug. Look at her. Yeah, got your Woody. And yeah, the river's just down here. As I said in the intro, this isn't the wildest, most hardcore campground or camping expedition. It's about getting the little ones outside during school holidays and having some just legit quality time with them. And what better way than looking at waterfalls, having a fire, and some chats. How's the food look? Yeah, that's pretty good camping food if you ask me. Got some dip as well. All right. Settle in, mate. Settle in and get snug. Shout out, Bush TV. Love your content, mate. You really like it? Yeah? That is Scotch fillet, mate. That is the best steak. It's one of my favourite steak, at least. Delicious. Right, I'm going to tuck into this Then I'll soak that fire right up and get us toasty warm, okay? Yum. Oh, what time is it, Scouty?
Roasting marshmallow time.
Alright, you roast it.
In there.
Get it in there, cuz.
Ho, 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 ho.
Good morning. Slept okay last night. It rained a little bit and we both woke up at like 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, and we were awake for like an hour or so. And then we slept until about 9, so that's not too bad. Some porridge and some coffee. And then we'll pretty much get camp squared away. Scouty's interested in doing the waterfall walk again. Can you go see the waterfall again? That should get us to about time for lunch at the Nuge pub. Alright, Scouty, what are we doing?
Waterfall walk.
Yeah, we're going to do it again, aren't we? You enjoyed it so much yesterday, we're going to do it again.
And we might be able to see some more waterfalls.
Yeah, we'll see how Scouty's legs go. We might make it the loop, which is a couple of Ks. And then we're going to go and have a pub lunch, aren't we? Yeah. I hope it's open. I think it should be a Saturday. Alright, Nuge pub, iconic. Alright, let's go. Scouty's going to film. All of the walking now is going to be Scouty cam. See these, Scouty? These grow that much every year, like an inch a year. These palms. So look up. How many years do you think this is? It's probably 100 years old.
1,000?
Yeah. Yeah, we're going to the amphitheatre falls now. So it's going to be a big walk. Hopefully your legs don't fall off.
They won't. There's a leaning tree. It's skinny. We think we're getting close. I don't know. But we're gonna keep going and see. We see handrails and we can see a little bit of the waterfall. We just did the whole waterfall, not even turned back once. We just had lunch at the tool shed. We're heading home. See you next time on Outback Moments. Everyone should like and subscribe.